Question 3. Ben is planning a car journey. He estimates the distance to be 90 miles. And here's the key thing. To the nearest 5 miles. Okay? To the nearest 5 miles. He hopes to travel at an average speed of 60 miles per hour to the nearest 10 miles per hour. Work out his minimum expected journey time in hours and minutes. So, to work out how long something takes my time, I need to do the distance and divide that by the speed. Now, let's think about what will give the minimum expected journey time. If this is going to be a minimum, then this wants to be small, and I want to divide it by the most I possibly could. So a small t, so a low t or a minimum t, min might be a better word to put in there. A minimum t is going to be the minimum distance divided by the maximum speed, right? That's going to make, it's going to go really quickly if you don't go very far and you go very fast. Yeah? So there's not going to be much time used in that case. So the minimum distance divided by the maximum time. Right. My minimum distance to the nearest 5 miles, and this is where a lot of people tripped up, is not 85, it's 87.5. Okay, because it's to the nearest 5. So it's going every 5, like is it close to 85 or closer to 90? Is it close to 90 or 95? So the minimum distance I can have would be 87.5 miles. Okay. And then the maximum speed I can have, 60 miles per hour to the nearest, 60 miles an hour to the nearest 10, so that's going to be 65 miles an hour. Okay, and so that will give me my minimum time. Okay, and so that comes out as, I'll put it into the calculator. This new computer is supposed to be like absolutely the best. Like £800 worth of computer. It can't do a little bit of division. Okay. So so I've got my result, which is 35/26. Okay, so guys, what I've got is 35/26. Now I need to turn that's an amount of hours, and I need to turn that into hours and minutes. So the way in which I'm going to do that, so to convert, I'm going to have to times it by 60, times by 60 minutes. So I'm going to take the 35 over 26, and I'm going to times it by 60 minutes. That will give me my total number of minutes. So times by 60. Wait for the computer. Okay, and we've got 80.769. Okay, 80.769, and so on. Yeah, I know it's sorry, it's very jerky. I've got no idea why. Okay, so that's 81 to the nearest seconds. It's 81 seconds to the nearest second. Okay, which is 1 hour and 21 minutes. Sorry, 81 minutes. Sorry, not seconds. We didn't need minutes. We didn't need seconds, did we? We needed minutes. Apologies for that. 1 hour 21 minutes. I'm going to pause it there.